is not for everyone. Pagpapatunay po nito ang isang kilalang Filipino celebrity na nanirahan dito sa Amerika for a few years at ngayon ay handa nang bumalik sa Pilipinas. I got a chance to interview Miss Giselle Tonji, model turned actress turned producer, and here's what we talked about. Miss Giselle, welcome back on Kababayan LA. What, fourth, fifth time? Pero hopefully not the last, but it looks like it's gonna be, it's gonna be a while before you come back. Kamusta? What's new with you?
Well, malakas si Janelle So sa akin, kaya nandito ako the day before I leave for Manila. Medyo nerve-wracking because I'm relocating my entire family back to Manila after 12 years of being here in America.
What I like about your journey is when you left, you were by yourself, you went to New York, and then here, you didn't know. You were para bang unknown and you faced it. Such a strong girl. I mean, you faced the unknown, and then now you're going back there 12 years later with a full family, like you said, and a white husband too.
Yeah.
Paano mo siya napapayag na sumama sa'yo?
Siya talaga yung nag-recommend sa akin na pumunta because, I graduated college last year. And when I graduated, he was like, I think you're ready to go back. Because I left Janelle. I was searching for something. I didn't know what it was. I just was unfulfilled with what I was doing. And I think after being here, raising my family, going back to school, becoming a wife, a mother, I have a new perspective on things, and school has definitely helped shape my beliefs and my convictions. So I just want to be able to go home because for one, andun pa yung mami ko, lumalaki yung mga anak ko, hindi nagtatagalog. Importante sa akin yun kasi me, I speak Tagalog. It's important to me.
And your beautiful children, what do you tell them about the Philippines? How excited are they? What are the concerns?
Well, they've been there several times before, so they have fond memories of, going to our province in Batangas, kung saan pwede lang silang tumakbo. They can run around. And, it's not like here where I don't have that luxury because I really live in the city. So they associate the Philippines with also my family and, my mother and my brothers are there. So, kasi dito, lahat ng kasama namin is only Tim's side of the family.
So how is Tim's side taking this relocation?
They're very supportive. But of course, they're going to miss us, and we're making sure that we can Skype, we know all the phone numbers, we can keep communication lines
open.
And
I'm sure you're going to be visiting too, right?
Absolutely.
Anong mga concerns mo? Meron bang? Because I see you now, you look very happy, very excited, and I can understand it's so much fun in the Philippines, right?
Yes, it's more fun.
It's more fun in the Philippines. Pero I'm sure may mga concerns because, let's be honest, I go there too, but then when I go there, sometimes paminsan nakakasawa, nakaka-turn off ang traffic, kahit paano, you have to contend with pollution, overcrowding, especially in the city. Are those concerns of yours as well?
Absolutely. There are pros and cons, and I have to weigh them out. And pros definitely are more, family, career. I have an opportunity to not just be an actress anymore. I'm given opportunities to produce. So that's exciting. But at the same time, I'm scared of dengue because, ang dengue naman, mosquitoes don't pick who they're going to bite.
Right.
I'm scared that, I'll become the person I used to be, always short-tempered because I'm always in traffic. So I'm trying to put my Filipino hat on and not expect too much because let's face it, even in the service industry, there's no sense of urgency.
Right.
And so I have to understand that this is the Philippines, it's more relaxed.
Saka medyo iba yung customer service doon. Pag nag-shopping ka, hindi ka pwedeng mag-return.
Hindi pwede. Hindi katulad ng Amerika.
So when you left the Philippines, was that in the plan na someday is Philippines still a home for you?
The Philippines has always been my home. I've been here for 12 years, but there's something, and I can speak for a lot of Filipinos. I know na random Filipinos I meet around the world, I ask them, they always ask me, sila rin home rin talaga ang tawag nila sa Pilipinas.
Second part of that interview tomorrow on Kababayan LA. For now, thank you for joining us. Ako po si Janelle So, ang inyong kababayan dito sa Los Angeles. I'll see you again tomorrow.